What's going on? It's your boy Marcus from the Fly Cleaners checking in. So here we doing this restoration on these Jordan CDP black cement 3s. I did these on TikTok. What I did was I gave them a sole swap, and then I gave them a restitch as well. For anybody who didn't get a chance to see the TikTok video, live video, I'm putting this YouTube video up for everybody to be able to see. So all my links in my link tree slash fly cleaners is going to be here in the description as well. And make sure you follow me on my social media platforms. I go live on TikTok at 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern time, and I'm gonna start going live on Instagram as well. So just make sure you follow me. We're gonna jump right on into the video, man. Appreciate everybody watching. So what some may think, these shoes are not really worn down. This just happens over time. So to go ahead and get started, we'll take an X-Acto knife to cut the thread from the sole to the toe box area. It was already a lot of separation, so I didn't need to heat it up. We're just going on, just cut the thread and just snatch the sole right on off of there. So we got the sole removed, and we're going to use a scraper to remove some of the midsole from the sole, and we're going to use a steamer to remove some of the midsole that still was attached to the shoe. So we're going to use a steamer to remove some of the rest of this cracked back tab from the shoe, and get all the broken parts from beneath the elephant print. Right here, we're going to use a steamer to heat up some of the old glue to remove it with the scraper. I use acetone, but this right here works faster for me. Off camera, I went on and replaced the back tab to the shoe. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to apply some Barge Super Stick cement glue, and we're going to spread it evenly around the whole shoe. This is the donor midsole, and we're going to apply the Barge Super Stick cement glue here as well. And once again, on the sole itself, we're going to apply the Barge Super Stick cement glue. Like I said in the beginning of the video, this was a restoration that I did on TikTok on live. And so what I did was I re-glued the shoe on live. So here's the end results of the shoe being re-glued. But I didn't have time to restitch it on live. So here I go restitching the shoe. So I take the I put it inside of the holes, and then I reach my finger in and I grab the string. It's real tedious. It takes a little time. I actually have gotten better with it now. And just do it throughout the whole front part of the shoe. here's the end results of me restitching the shoe with the awl. As you can see, that thing came out real clean. And here's the end results of the Jordan 3 black cement from the CDP pack restoration. I replaced the back tab. I gave it a sole swap and a restitching. So, appreciate everybody watching me. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media platforms. As I said, I go live on TikTok. I'm going to be going live other places as well. And any questions you have, I answer them. And a lot of products I have on my website at theflycleansatl.com. I appreciate all the support, man, all the love. And stay tuned for the next video. Thanks.